Na.
Enough.
Hello, good evening, dear students. Am I audible? Please show a thumbs up if I'm audible. Okay. And my file, can you see my file properly? Okay, fine. So without delay, we will start doing our work. But before starting, I just want to do the announcement about our Diwali special packages. We are offering very smart long-term packages. Those who want to take long-term plans. This is not only for super senior batch or senior. This is for all batches we are taking, pre-junior, junior, senior, and super senior. Those who are taking long-term plans for full year, they will be getting complete concession of 50%. That means for 6,000 rupees, you will be getting complete package for 12 months. And those who are taking long-term plan of 6 months, they will be getting concession of, means that the charges will be 3,500. It means complete concession of 2,500. And these are applicable on all the batches, junior, senior, super senior, and pre-junior. And this benefit will be given to only first 100 registrations, 100 enrollments. Okay, as soon as 100 enrollment will be done, this package will be stopped. So please hurry if you are interested in long-term plans. Be the part of that first 100 participants and get the benefit of this very, very special Diwali special long-term plan. Okay. So without delay, we will start now with our work. Okay. And as we are going to do it completely with watercolors, first step, the very first step we draw. Second step, we will erase extra lines. Okay, see these extra lines will be erased. Hello? पौने 4 से क्लास शुरू होती है. Okay, so after this, we will be erasing extra lines. In watercolors, the very first step is we draw. Second step, we erase extra lines and make unwanted line. We erase unwanted lines. And then third step is wash. Okay, we always start with light to dark. Okay, so we will start with this wash. It means background coloring. And then we will come on this. And we are going to use earbud for detailing. Okay, lots of detailing is there in this Madhubani art. So we will be starting with. Okay, and you can use even cotton for this background. Okay, so let's get started without delay. First, I will go for background. So for this, I will be taking water. You also be ready with water container and your brushes, your colors, okay, because we are going to do it with watercolors. Any water soluble color medium you can use, okay. So see, these all colors are here. First of all, I want to do yellow around my diyas, okay, yellow around my diyas. So what I will do, I will simply pick up my yellow color, okay, and I will start applying. This is my round brush of 8 number. Okay, if you have 10 or 12 number brush, you can use that. And first I will start applying yellow all around. Okay, you also apply this ways around diya, that light of diyas. Okay, yes. All over. Okay, around diya. Any flat, any round brush you can, and start spreading yellow color this ways all around. Okay, because I want to show night to light, night to light. So that blue and red I will be merging for background. So first let's make my diyas safe, because if blue will be overlap, that yellow look, that bright yellow look will be somewhere disappearing. So I will be doing this yellow. I will just spread it in very irregular, careless way. This is light of diyas. You will pick up little color and start spreading all around diyas. Okay, this ways. See, I'm moving. My brush is, I'm moving it shaky. And I will be completing diyas first. And as my drawing is having so many diyas, it is going to look very bright with so many diyas. Okay? All around. Okay, yes, just spread yellow color around. And you don't wash your brush, because using same brush, we will do orange in flame. Okay, this orange in flame. And as my brush is having yellow color, that yellow will get mixed with orange, and I will get lovely mixing of yellow and orange for doing flame. You can just fill inside. And somewhere where your color will be wet now, it will start spreading also. When you will start applying orange now, it will start spreading also, then let it be. Okay, it is not going to look odd. It will look as if it will look good actually if it's spread, because this yellow is not dried properly. So that spreading of orange in yellow surface will add beauty. It will not make your work untidy. Okay, it's complete. All flame without washing. Okay, without washing my brush, I'm continuing with my diyas. And here, see, you can observe I'm using tip. Okay, the technique immediately change. As the surface, while making this outer circle, I was very carelessly spreading it, keeping position this way. But as I started doing this tip, I will be using tip now, okay, to maintain that shape of flame. This ways you will be completing, okay? With lots of focus, carefully, I'm going to complete all flames. And after this, after applying orange also, I will not wash my brush. And I will take red and this inner small, this semicircle on bottom of this flame, I will finish, okay? So we will start with light. As we are learning a festival of light, so let's start coloring also with light, okay? And today, this is the demand of today's environment, that we should remember our tradition, that Diwali is festival of diyas, not of crackers. As complete India has turned in a gas chamber, is trying to remember and contribute for betterment of environment and all, that we should not burn crackers, and motivate our kids also not to burn crackers. Even in my junior classes, I'm just requesting and telling them story based on, okay, we should not burn crackers, and how can they make their Diwali. This was the artwork which I taught today in junior batch. Let's decorate house with strings and burn diya. This drawing I taught them along with the story, that let's make and celebrate Diwali with this kind of things. Let's decorate house and all. Okay, so now it's a moral responsibility of each and every person to contribute in whatever way he or she can be. Okay, this ways. Okay. I will not wash as my brush is still wet. I will pick up little red on tip and finish. This ways. I will finish. This ways, I will be completing. Okay, yes. So our diyas are done. With light. Okay, yes. All diyas are done. If you're using bottle colors, first use color of cap. Okay, yes. Let's complete all diyas. And then we will come on wash. Okay, first we will give wash in background and then we will step on to the basic work. Okay, yes. And wash, I just want to mix blue and pink color, or we can just go for red, orange, yellow also. Okay, blue, because I want to show a touch of night, gradually converting in light. Okay, so I can go for red, orange, and yellow also, or just a touch of blue can also be given. Okay, so now I will switch on to cotton or my flat brush, thick brush. Okay, because for giving wash, we need thick brush. Thin brush will not work. It will spoil your work. Okay, and if you don't have thick brush, you can switch on to cotton. Okay, cotton will also serve your purpose. Now what I will do, I will start applying water first. Okay, as you can see, I'm using acrylic colors and then any color medium, because this wet surface will keep your color alive. Okay, we'll start spreading water. It will keep color wet for blending. Okay, otherwise what will happen, as soon as I will apply watercolor, it will get dry immediately and we won't be able to spread it properly in even tone. You know? It will spoil that complete background. So first apply water. After that, very little of blue, very little. Okay, very little of blue and start spreading on the top. Okay, yes, keeping your, I will be taking red now. Very little, huh? Because I want my background absolutely, yes, absolutely light. I want it very light. Now see, blue and this blue and red, when mixed, it turn into purple. And I got a lovely, beautiful. If you feel that the surface with flat brush you're finding difficult, you can switch on to small brush also. If you feel that no, flat brush is creating problem, so you can just switch on to small brush, spread this ways. Okay, red. And here we are supposed to be very, very, okay, and somewhere dark, somewhere light is also acceptable. Even different colors can also be applied. Pink, blue, patches of different colors can also be applied to show that festive mood. As I'm doing now, I picked up blue. And as gradually, okay, from night, now gradually as the lights are coming down, I will switch on to take limited color and start spreading with water, okay? Okay, now after applying red, if you feel that water is getting dried continuously, you can reapply, okay? If you feel it's dried, reapply. See, I took orange, spread here. Now here also very little quantity of color you pick up, okay? Don't pick up too much of colors at a time. This kind of patches can be applied all around, okay? We started with blue layer to show night, and gradually night is converting into this kind of colorful background, okay? This colorful background will definitely add a festive look. Gradually that darkness is disappearing and everywhere there is light. Okay, this actually we want to show with help of this creative wash. Take your round thin brush and spread water. Okay, if you feel that doing it together is little difficult, spread little water, spread little color and finish. Okay, this is. You can see all around this blue, red, and mixing of these colors. I gave wash. I'm continuously applying water. Okay, tip of orange because now I don't want blue or black because everywhere it is light. Even I can merge somewhere yellow. Okay, you can merge even yellow downwards. See here. Here you can merge yellow with orange and finish. But make sure your colors will be very light, not dark. Okay, because as I told you, wash is the lightest. This background coloring is called wash. Okay, this background coloring, and this is lightest. Okay, and in watercolors we always start with light to dark. So first we will fill with light all the coloring with which is going to be very light colored. Okay, I'm taking a touch of orange, not lots of orange at a time. You also take care of this, otherwise even you can merge it with yellow. Okay, sometime yellow, sometime orange I'm taking, and just spreading colors here and there without planning. You know, you must be thinking you will be finding coloring means any color anywhere I spread and see this kind of blue, pink, red, orange, yellow. Gradually that night is left above and see because of diyas everything is enlightened. Okay, this kind of effect we want at background because we want to show this lady is on terrace. Okay, arranging for diyas and all na. So above we are showing night. Okay, and as I'm showing a village scene, and in villages they used to cover and coat all the walls with clay or mud 4 feet down after digging and cow dung. Okay, na? So for showing that cow dung effect, I will be using sap green. Sap green. Okay, for showing this wall to give that walls with that kind of coat. Even today also at many places for Diwali Rangoli, they just make this kind of elevated platform and they cover it with mud, mud and clay and mix cow dung, okay, and just cover that up. add some geru also. So these all things are still alive at many places. So see now how much part we have done. We have completed this upper Diwali background. Okay. We completed this upper Diwali background with colors. We completed diyas. And now we are coming on wall. And for wall also, what I will be doing, I will apply water first. Now see here, things are quite manageable because all diyas are left above and here the things are very smooth to apply color. So I will be applying water along with sap green color to just show that these walls are beautifully covered with cow dung and clay. This kind of color, this is sap green color. You can try some other color also. Yellow ochre will also look good, okay? If you want to try yellow ochre or brown, you can try. Brown I'm not using because I want to make my diyas brown. So because of this only, I'm not using brown color here. Okay, completely traditional touch up I want to give. So I will be going for C. I can go for big strokes. Okay. Yes. If you feel that water is dried, you reapply and very gently you will be moving to that side. This way. Okay. Apply color. This way. Okay. Spread colors and finish this wall. This wall with stairs. Okay. Stairs at the same time. Okay, and see here for making wall, you can try any color of your choice. Okay, there is no foundation that you will also be doing the same color. Okay, if you feel like to make wall with some other color, you can do. Okay, if you feel like to make walls with some pink color or red or any other color, geru wall if you want to show, you can show it red also. In villages, they just apply a coat of geru also after, just to make them looking more bright. Okay. And as I told you, if you feel that the surface is dry, you can again cover it up with water and start spreading your colors. In one direction, spread it nicely. Let's finish. So first we will start with our background. Okay, this is the first part to be done. We will not complete background in end. We are supposed to do it in beginning. Yes. Okay. As this drawing is a very detailed drawing with so many things in it, so many diyas, so many things and objects. From corners, you can just apply little darker effect. Okay, from corners. From corners, you can just give a depth by applying it, making it little dark. This ways. Yes, this ways we can just start my corners with dark effect. Pink, or if you feel like to make it colorful, you can try fluorescent pink and or any color. Okay, now my third color, which I will be using, it is going to be brown. Okay, brown or yellow ochre. This I'm going to use to show this bottom part, this part. Okay, again, what I will be doing, I will be picking up water. Okay, and I will not wash my brush. So what will happen, the sap green will get mixed with brown and will definitely give a very beautiful effect. So without washing my brush, I will just apply as these feet will come with skin color. I will not allow my color to go in face. Okay, this ways. Continuously, water. Even while doing one-stroke painting also, I hardly wash my brush. For floral work, I keep taking color in one brush only without washing. So automatically very beautiful mixing and background I get. So it's my basic habit not to wash brush. Okay, see, this is brown and I will be spreading brown over this color. So you will be watching that how beautiful it's looking. See, somewhere sap green is peeping out and somewhere, you know, it's looking great. Yes, for background, we will have to be little quick because this complete figure is left. As we open brown, so let's complete all the R's also. Okay, now what we'll be doing, we will open one color. Okay, and see here also, this bottom part, I will be making little dark and corners also. All of you see this corners, little dark. Okay, corners, little dark. And you will see when we apply this kind of dark tone on corners, our main drawing come in frame. You know, it attracts more focus. Now, as I open my brown, so what I will be doing, I will finish all brown in my artwork. Okay, and you also develop this habit that when you pick up one color, finish that part. It will save lots of your colors and lots of your time. Now see all diyas, I don't want them colorful. I just want to go for very simple, traditional earthen diyas. So I will be doing them brown. And I used my round brush, and this time my coloring is absolutely simple, okay, and dark colored diyas, okay, brown. I took brown. So what we did, as this work is completely watercolor work, how to manage with watercolor work? Sometimes for making charts and school projects, charts are given. So first you will wash, okay? If as chart is a very big surface, so cotton is best. Take cotton, okay, dip it in water, then color, and just give wash. And after that, you will be doing colors in objects you have drawn, you draw. And in end, outline is the last thing we does, okay? So this ways we manage for watercolors. Now you will be watching that slowly and slowly I'm switching on to darker tone. Now see diyas, dark. The very first color which I applied in wash, that was light. Then wall, comparatively dark. This floor, again comparatively dark. Now diyas, absolutely dark. I will switch on to dress, that will be darkest. Okay, for making dress, I'm going to use very, very bright colors. And all lamps I completed with brown. simple earthen diyas. Madhubani is a very detailed art form, very detailed. And it's really like a challenge. Now here you can see the darker. I'm just applying this brown one side again to just give this darker effect, okay? And diyas in puja thal also will go brown. Okay? This circle. Okay? Now see, almost brown is done. In dress also, let's finish brown somewhere. Okay? Somewhere. I will be doing brown in this border. This middle border is left now. I will be doing this border with brown. So, whatever color you are picking up, fill some part of dress also. It will save lots of your colors, lots of your colors. Okay? After completing diyas, we will switch on to dress. I'm just finding out some beautiful colors. Okay. Now see, for skin color, for face, I will be mixing orange with white. Okay, orange with white, I will get skin color. And that I'm going to do in face, hands. And if you want to show dusky complexion, in that case, you can simply try brown. Brown with white. Okay, brown with white will also look good. And if you want to show fair complexion, okay, orange with white, it will give you lovely skin color. See. Okay, and a very little color is required. I'll complete legs, feet with skin. And I'm using my round brush for this. Okay, very little color is required. So I will not mix too much. You can see my face is done with skin color. Hands, okay, little color in brush is more than enough to complete the body. Okay, yes. So skin color work is done and I want to show chunni with pink color. Okay, so as I want to show this chunni quite transparent, this odhni, है ना, border will be heavy and so I will be spreading water and pink I will spread. Okay, I just want to show it with heavy, beautiful, transparent effect. Okay, so I just spread my pink color over. Now it's time to decorate and this pink is a very positive, beautiful color. So what I will do, I will fill this color here also. Okay, pink. And in dress, you will be applying quite dark colors, not light. Okay, any color. You can pick up any color of your color palette. If you feel that your brown is your favorite or gray is your favorite, but use bright color. Neutral color, avoid. This is the beauty. This is actually the thing which we are supposed to keep in mind. In Madhubani art, colors are very fresh, bright, appealing, energetic. And the neutral color they avoid. Orange you can take, green you can take, pink you can take. These all colors can be taken. So see, I'm applying this pink. And for this application, I'm using my round brush of 9 number. Okay? Yes. And now see pink. I will be completing blouse with pink. Okay, just to show that matching. Blouse also with pink color. And it's a fluorescent pink and a lovely color. So let's make blouse also with the same color. Yes. Okay. And I can show some pattern in my puja thal. And a pattern also can be done with pink color. Pink is a very good holy color. And we include this color a lot in our puja things of puja samagri. Now I will switch on to green. Okay, one by one I will start. Orange and yellow also I will use, but less, because already yellow and orange has found place in our artwork. So what will happen if we will use orange and yellow also very much now? So it will become prominent. And this basic figure will somewhere merge with background, with diyas and all. If you want this principal artwork in focus, so you will avoid colors around, okay? You will go for contrast colors. Contrast colors you will go for. Okay, so I will be picking up green now. Green is a beautiful color, and with purple chunni, it will look great. And this fluorescent pink and green is a lovely contrast. So I will be taking green. And see here, you are better at this combination. So you are please absolutely free. And your combinations are always praiseworthy, and any color anywhere, all colors are beautiful colors and they looks good after apply. So please don't keep yourself bounded with some, only this particular color I will go for, no. And see these dots and all now, you cover up because we are going to highlight design with earbud. Okay, so see this circle is coming. I will cover it up. I will not leave it safe. This ways, I will be completing green. Okay, little part in lehenga, little part of lehenga, I did it. Okay, I just want to show this border with green. And while applying in dress, you can see my colors are very bright, not watery. Okay, less water, lots of colors, because I want dress very colorful. Okay, and here make it colorful. Okay, you will not go for only 2 colors. No, make it colorful. This is also a very significant feature of Madhubani art, colorful work. See this ways. Green is done. I will be picking up some blue color. Okay, green can be applied. Chalo, I will take red, and red is also there. Let's make border with red. Okay, main border with red. Okay, with tip you will go for outlines first. And this phase you will complete red. Okay. I will complete this complete cover up the design also, because this we are going to do with earbud. We will be highlighting things with earbud. Although those who feel like to color each and every minute design also with different colors, they can try that also. But we will simplify it and use earbud, okay, for making it quick. Okay, green and red contrast. And very carefully you can see the dress has started getting its colors, right? Yes, red, the beautiful color red. And I just want to show red in flowers. Even in flowers it can be shown. Okay, just go for semicircle. Okay, my next color is going to be yellow. Okay, yellow, as I told you, I will use at limited places. Yes, wash your brush nicely so that your each color should look fresh. Okay, now here I will not suggest you mixing. Mixing will make your colors neutral, and here we want fresh colors. Okay, yes, see this ways I completed this frame and this cloth in front is hanging. Okay, orange I will be taking. I will wash, and this pink I will be taking for completing blue. Yeah, blue is also left. Let's take blue also and finish. Okay, if you have many different colors, you can try them also. Just keep applying without thinking much. This color will look good or not. No, don't think. Only thing you're supposed to keep in mind, you're supposed to make it very colorful, and you will see that all colors after completing, they have their own beauty. Okay, yes. Now see, somewhere the stripes are white, and I will leave them white because I want them white. Now eyes, you can either do with sketch pen or colors, it's your choice. Here also this can be done with blue. Okay, yes. You can try this blue in this puja thal also with a stripe. Okay, so this will look like white, blue and green. And see, this ways we just apply the basic color in our artwork, just basic colors. Black is left in here, so I will pick up. Now all of you see how to complete hairline. Yes, I will be picking up brown. First I will pick brown. As very small hairline is there now, brown, and touch just a tip of black and apply in hairline. So you will be getting mixing of black and brown. At the place of exactly black, you should do this ways. Okay, yes, finish this hairline. Now it's time to decorate it with earbud. Okay, with beautiful decoration and detailing. You know, detailing we will be doing with earbuds. Finish this? Yes. Any color, anywhere. Okay. Hello. क्या हो रहा है? खुशखबरी है? क्यों? बच्चों को फ्लैट खिला दूंगी। है ना? छुट्टी को खिला देना। हाँ। लो यार। बस क्लास लगा दिया है। हाँ, कर लो। Am I audible? Please show thumbs up if you can hear me. Okay, fine. Okay, now it's time to decorate. Okay, as we have almost 10 minutes more and lots of work is left. So first, let's complete outlines. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will be taking round brush. You can go for marker pen or any other, and I will be going for outlines first. Before that, let's pack colors. Okay, and make it absolutely surrounding ready for outlines. And I'm going to use my round brush for giving outlines. Okay. Remove all colors from front. Okay. And after that, start with it. I will be taking black color and my brush is absolutely dry. And using its tip, I'm going to give outlines, right? So what I will be doing, I will take this cap. I have black color. I will start with dry. See, color is not watery. Even my brush is not watery and I will start with outlines. Very careful. And if you feel that you are not able to do with this, you can switch on to sketch pen also. Okay? Yes. But I will suggest that you should try. If it is spoiled somewhere if you feel that lines are disturbed, it's okay. This is a learning process. But if you will try it with, for eyes, I can suggest you. For eyes, don't take risk. You can do it with sketch pen. But for cloths, I will suggest you to try brush because you will get command over. Okay? Use it in 90-degree angle. Okay? Just tip 90-degree angle. And as this drawing will give you lots of scope for giving outlines, it will definitely help you gaining command over your brush for outlines. Okay, you can see I'm giving outlines with my paintbrush. And make sure your color is not watery, your brush is absolutely dry. But yeah, one thing you're supposed to keep in mind, dry it if your brush is not moving smoothly. You need to take little water. It should move smoothly. Okay, then only smooth lines will come. Otherwise, you won't be able to get it. Hai na? So, brush should move smoothly. If it is very dry and you're not able to get lovely lines, it's time to take little water. Okay, see. After giving outlines, designs and colors will start looking more beautiful. Okay, yes. Marker pens can also be used for this. Okay, if you feel that big lines I will make, but minute detailing I want to make with sketch pen, so you can do that ways also. Okay, you can try that ways also. Now see the big lines I'm making with my paintbrush. Now my brush has turned dry, so I took tip of water and I restart. Okay, so this thing you're supposed to understand. When you will do now, you will automatically understand. Now my brush is moving smoothly. Now it's time to take water. Everything you start getting better understanding of paintbrush. You know, for outlines also. Now this is time to reload my brush. It's time to, this ways you start understanding. So drawing is all about learning. It's a learning process. You keep learning, you keep getting understanding with colors and okay, yes. Okay, yes. Here now, here also I will be giving outlines. And see this ways the basic lines I'm doing with colors. Okay, yes, you can see the design is about to get over. Here the blouse, this basic shape of hands, objects we will be making with black. Okay, yes, keep doing, keep giving outlines like this. Even puja thal, and this drawing is principal object. So here we will be taking care of outlines. Okay, the objects at background can be left without outlines, but here we will be giving outlines because this is our main object. Okay. Okay. Lines also. Now you can see that the basic figure has taken shape. Okay. Eyes are done, outlines are done. Even in dress, lines are done. Okay, let's complete leg also. Feet. Okay, let's complete here also. Now it's time to decorate it, make it beautiful with earbuds. Okay, earbud will make your work definitely comfortable and beautiful. Now see what I'm going to take. I will be taking this yellow color, white color, and different colors for doing decorations. So first I will start with my white color. Okay, I will start with white color. So when I will start my coloring with light white now, I will not have to change my earbud again and again. Light color, always start with light color. And I will be making this white sequences as if in this ordni, this white sequence work is done. Okay. Okay, and with white, I will be making dots here. So the semicircle which I made now, I will start making dots here. I will be picking up green, yellow color now in same earbud. And here, this leaves. I will be making leaves. Small 2 dots. See now, leaves I'm preparing. Okay, yes. And I'm not pressurizing my earbud. Because of this only, I'm getting lovely tiny dots and getting lovely shape of leaves. Okay. And this minute detailing will just make this work looking outstanding. Yes. Let's continue. With this kind of simple shortcut keys, you will be able to make your Madhubani art very quickly. And otherwise, Madhubani art is a very time-taking art technique, but earbud will make your work quite easy for you and manageable. And suppose you want to make it quickly, want to do many students. One of our student of online class of mom batch started her own business of Madhubani artwork. Yes, online business. See, I took pink and bottom here on same earbud. On same earbud, when floral shape was given up, I just applied it here. And I want to show the complete string with orange. Okay, a kind of lace. And for yes, one more thing is left. I will be showing it golden. This kada in feet. I will be showing this golden ghungru. This ways. Okay. I can try yellow here. In green, I will be making yellow. And in red, I will be making white. Okay. You can take other contrast also. You can try some other color also. But with this, I will be decorating. And it's absolutely your imagination. Okay. I don't want to tell that no, you will be using this color or that color. No, I will not, because your combinations are always, always better. Okay. And as colors we applied are very dark, so light colors will definitely look better. Okay. White colors will definitely look better. I want to pick up green now in same earbud. And with green, I will be making some circles here. With green. Okay. And blue. Why shall I leave blue? In same earbud with blue, I will be making, okay, the combination of 3 circles in odd knee. 2 blue and 1 white. Okay, this combination will definitely give it perfect matching with its border. Okay. Here also yellow. You can see earbud has made my work so quick, easy. Jewelry, I want to make golden, although it can be done colorful also. Okay. Yes, you can make it colorful also. Like if you want to add some colors, you can. I will be making it golden with yellow dots. Cut also with golden. Okay. And small, tiny white dots in blouse. Very small, tiny dots. Okay, in blouse. very small tiny dots. And yeah, big dots here also. I will be taking absolutely white. See, so this complete Madhubani, okay, it has been decorated with, yeah, but keep doing, don't stop, keep doing. Whatever you feel like to fill at this color here, that color here, don't stop, keep doing. This drawing will definitely give you idea that how it is going to look. See this white ear bird, white line can be used for this earthen diyas also, because you must have seen in Karwa Chauth that also that khadiya, with khadiya, this painting on earthen pots and is traditional, quite traditional. And even here, for diyas also, I just want to show this white pearls. You can make them colorful also, but I will love to make them white. Okay, white pearls. Here also, white. It can be orange, it can be red. Red can also be tried here. But I really want to pick up this very, very simple traditional color scheme for this. And see, with this, our beautiful Madhubani painting is done. Okay, it's absolutely simple. We just fill simple coloring. The stand is left with black. Finish it. Okay.
Overdue. I know what does that word is.
Okay. And this is all about our Madhubani art. It's time taking, but see within 1 hour, we managed to finish a complete Madhubani artwork of A3 size. Okay. So if some shortcut tips can be applied, it is not difficult to manage with. Okay. So we did the same. We applied some shortcut tips for completing this. Okay. I just want to have a look at how much is done and how it is going on. Okay. Yes, I know you all must have tried your own color schemes and definitely very beautiful. Yes, very nice. Outlines and all detailing is left. Yes, recording as soon as we get recording from Zoom. Now, yes, beautiful color scheme. Only the detailing work is left. I can understand with earbud, and it is absolutely your imagination. Yes, beautiful, excellent, excellent color scheme, excellent work, and some outlines and some detailing work is left. And I can understand it's time consuming. Beautiful, very beautifully implemented. You all really implemented beautifully. Okay, and it was actually one very challenging artwork. Madhubani. Madhubani is a detailed artwork. It takes hours and hours. But with some shortcut keys, okay, we just use earbud for making it looking decorative and quick. Very beautiful. I can just see the lovely color scheme in lehenga and odni. Very beautiful color schemes you all tried and very beautiful work. And please don't forget to send your work, okay, as soon as you finish. And as soon as we will get recording from Zoom, when we get recording from Zoom, we immediately upload the video, okay? The video is there. You can just go through video again, okay? So, and you all have done very nice work. Background mixing and coloring and everything is amazing. Although we exceed with time. So with this, I will be winding up my class. May God bless you. Bye-bye and happy Diwali. Yeah, we are going to meet before Diwali. Okay, bye. Take care. Bye-bye. Rishi, close the class. कर कर कैसे काटो लीव कर दूं एंड मीटिंग फॉर ऑल कर दूं